Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log out of Gateio account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see a profile icon. You can simply tap on that. Once again, you will be led to this kind of interface, and there you can see your username. You can simply tap on that. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the bottom you can see the option Logout. You can simply tap over there. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on Logout. And now you can see that you are logged out of your Gateio account. If you want to log in again, then you can simply tap on sign up/login option, fill down your credential and log in back. And this is how to log out of Gateio account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.